Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today let us learn a new stitch, up and down buttonhole stitch. It looks more or less like buttonhole stitch. We'll work this stitch in two parallel lines. To start with, insert the needle at one point in the line here, and then we shall put the stitch from the top line to the bottom line like this, thread below the needle and pull over. You will be getting a buttonhole stitch. Next, insert the needle from bottom to top near the previous stitch, and now put the thread below the needle and pull over. Now you will be getting a knot like this, which will come to the bottom. We have finished the first stitch, and coming to the next stitch, start from the top to bottom. Insert the needle like this, thread below the needle and pull over. The next from bottom to top near the previous stitch, thread below the needle, pull over. You will be getting a knot. Bring the knot to the bottom like this, and we have finished the second stitch. For the third stitch, insert the needle from top to bottom like this, thread below the needle, pull over. We have finished the buttonhole. Next, near the previous stitch, bottom to top, thread below the needle, pull over. You will get a lock like this. Again going to the next stitch, top to bottom, thread below the needle, pull over and insert the needle from bottom to top, thread below the needle, pull over and bring the lock to the bottom. And this is a good stitch for borders. We can work this stitch between two parallel lines. Though it looks like buttonhole stitch, the main difference is the buttonhole stitch will go continuously, and in this up and down buttonhole stitch, each stitch will be locked at the base. We'll finish it like this, and this is the final effect of the stitch, and this is the back view of the stitch. I hope you liked this video. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. For more embroidery stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.